You didn't wake up in pain, but something still feels off. Your hips feel blocked, your body's heavy, and it's like your power hasn't clicked on yet. Let's hit the mat. When your hips are tight, even standing can feel like effort. This opens the door back to movement. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, back knee resting on the mat. Shift your weight gently forward and back, feeling your hip flexors stretch. Breathe deeply. After 30 seconds, switch legs and repeat. I promise this move is how you unlock space and freedom in your hips and lower body. Use blocks or cushions under your hands if reaching the floor is uncomfortable. Do you feel that in your hips yet? Now that your hips are mobile, let's bring in some strength and fire. This one wakes up the muscles that stabilize you because being grounded starts in the hips. Come onto all fours, lift your right knee out to the side like a dog at a fire hydrant. Lower with control, repeat for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Keep your core engaged and your spine steady. I promise this is how you unlock hip strength and balance you can trust. Keep the range smaller if you feel your body twisting. Form over height. Hold the last one for 5 more seconds. Feel the burn? That's your strength waking up. Now that your glutes are active, let's connect to full body support. If you've been sitting too long, this brings your backside back online. Literally, lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Press through your heels to lift your hips up. Squeeze your glutes out the top. Lower down with control and repeat slowly. I promise this move is how you unlock power and posture that lasts beyond the mat. If your hamstrings cramp, bring your feet closer to your glutes. We're just getting started. Next one opens you up even more. Now that your back's loose, let's open your hips from the inside out. You carry a lot. This one helps your hips carry less and move better. Sit with feet flat and knees bent, hands behind you. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and alternate. Move slowly and with control. No rushing. I promise this move is how you unlock deep joint mobility and real core control. Wider feet equals easier range. Narrower feet equals deeper challenge. Let's make this your smoothest transition yet. We'll finish strong now. Stand up and find your full body reach. When your body feels scattered, this pulls everything back into alignment. Stand with feet wide. Reach your right hand towards your left foot, then rise and switch sides. Move slowly and breathe with each reach. Keep knees soft. I promise this move is how you unlock full body connection and grounded focus. If the floor feels far, just reach towards your shin or thigh. Connection matters more than depth. Let's make this last one your strongest hold yet. Come back to center and take one deep breath in through your nose.